Welcome to CAT with Clarity. In today's video, we are going to learn one of the most important LRDI topics for CAT, distribution and grouping sets. Many students get scared when they see these sets in CAT, but after today's video, you will know exactly how to approach them step by step. We will cover basic idea of grouping sets, how to create tables, important shortcut techniques, one complete CAT level example. So watch the video till the end. First, let us understand what exactly a distribution or grouping set is. In these sets, some people or objects are divided into different groups. For example, students divided into teams, employees assigned to departments, people allocated to rooms, candidates assigned to projects. Our job is to organize all the information properly and answer the questions. The biggest mistake students make is directly trying to solve mentally. Always use a structured table. Now let us discuss the golden rules. Rule number 1, always make a table. Rule number 2, first place the definite information. Rule number 3, use elimination aggressively. Rule number 4, restrictions are extremely important. And finally, never make assumptions unless the information is given. These 5 rules alone can improve your LRDI accuracy significantly. Now let us solve one complete example. We have 8 people A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. They need to be divided into 2 teams with 4 people each. Now carefully read the conditions. Each team has 4 people. A and B cannot be together. C must always be with D. E cannot be in team X. F and G are together. Now let us solve this step by step. First we need to create a table like this, team X and team Y. This first step is to help us visualize the information clearly. Now we will start placing definite information. Now let's analyze the conditions. C is with D, F is with G, E not in team X, A and B separate. Now slowly the structure starts becoming clear. So if we solve step by step, our arrangement could be something like team X is C, D, F, G and team Y is A, B, E, H. Now let's check all the conditions. C with D, correct in team X. F with G, correct in team X. E not in team X. Okay, E is in team Y. A and B separate. Okay, so here you see this is not the correct arrangement because A and B are in team Y. They are together, but they have to be separate. So what will be the valid arrangement? Valid arrangement could be something like team X, A, C, D, H, team Y, B, E, F, G. Now let's check the conditions. C and D together, yes. F and G together, yeah, in team Y. E not in team X, correct. E is in team A and B separated. A is in team X, Y is in B is in team Y. So all the conditions are fulfilled. So this looks like a valid arrangement. So this will be our answer. Now let us discuss some important shortcuts. Always begin with the strongest condition. If two people must stay together, club them immediately. Use elimination instead of trying every possibility. And most importantly, maintain a clean structure. Messy solving creates confusion and wastes time. These are the mistakes most students make. They either try to solve mentally or forget one important restriction. Always verify the final arrangement before answering. Even strong students lose marks because of small verification mistakes. Now let us solve one more example. 6 students PQRSTU need to be divided into group 1 and group 2. Conditions: P and Q together, R not with S, T must be in group 1. Each group has 3 students. Okay, so let's solve this. So we have to make the table first. So there is group 1 and then there is group 2. What are the conditions? Conditions are P and Q have to be together, R not with S, T must be in group 1. Okay, so let's fix the definite information. T must be in group 1. So we'll place T in group 1. Each group has 3 students, fine. Now what about P and Q can be are together? So let's put them in group 1. So if we put P and Q in group 1, what about group 2? In group 2, we have R and S together. And the last one is U. But our condition is given that R cannot be with us. So this we cannot take. Okay, so let's change the arrangement. So let's make the table again. Group 1, group 2. What is given? T must be in group 1. Now we see we cannot put P and Q together in group 1. So let's put them together in group 2. So PQ here. What about R? R not with S. Okay, so let's put R in group 2 and S in group 1. Who is left? U. U in group 1. So this is a valid arrangement. You see all the conditions are fulfilled. P and Q are together. R is not with S. T is in group 1 and each group has 3 students. Can we make some other arrangement? Let's see. If with PQ instead of R we put here S, and in group 1 we have T, R and U. So again you see PQ as P and Q together, correct? R not with S, correct? T must be in group 1. So these two arrangements are possible. Either TSU or TRU in the group 1 and PQR or PQS in the group 2. So both these arrangements are valid and this would be our answer. Now let's move to another set. Example set 3. This is a slightly advanced set. We have 7 employees assigned to 2 projects, Project Alpha and Project Beta, and the 7 employees are A, B, C, D, E, F, G. The conditions are A and B cannot be together, C must always stay with E, D can only be in Project Alpha, A and F and G must stay together. Now let us solve it systematically. So here we have Alpha and Beta. We'll make the table first. Now what are the conditions given? A and B cannot be together. C must always stay with E. D can only be in Project Alpha. Okay, so D is fixed. So let's put D in Project Alpha. So we'll put D in Project Alpha. F and G must stay together. Okay, so let's put F and G in Project Alpha. Now A and B cannot be together. So let's put either A or B in Project Alpha. Let's put A. Now what about Project Beta? B will be here. Who are left? C must always stay with E. So let's put C and E. Who is left? None. So 7 people are. So this is a valid arrangement. Let's check the conditions. A and B cannot be together. Fine, they are not together. One is in alpha, one is in beta. C must be with E. Okay, so C and E are in beta. D only in alpha. So D is in alpha. F and G together. So F and G together are in alpha. So this is one valid arrangement. Can we have some other valid arrangement? Let's check. So again, D only in alpha. So let's put D in alpha. C must be with E. So let's put C and E in alpha. And what about A and B cannot be together? So let's put A here. What about beta? F and G together. So let's put F and G here. What about B? So this is another valid arrangement. So these are two arrangements which we can have. Can we have some other arrangement? Yes, definitely. Now you see, we put D, F, G, A. So instead we can do D, F, G and B in alpha. And in beta we can have A, C, E. So this is another valid arrangement. Can we have something else? Let's see. Can we do D, C, E and here B and here A, F, G. So you see 4 valid arrangements are possible in this example set. So this is just for your understanding. Now let us move on to the next part. Now let us discuss some important shortcuts. Always begin with the strongest condition. If 2 people must stay together, club them immediately. Use elimination instead of trying every possibility. And most importantly, maintain a clean structure. Messy solving creates confusion and wastes time. Now this is a practice question for you. Please pause the video and solve this question. 8 players K, L, M, N, O, P, Q and R need to be divided into team red and team blue. conditions K and L together, M not with N, O only in team red, Q and R together. Try this yourself. You can post your answer in the comment section. I will reply to the solutions that you post, and I have given the solution in the next slide so you can check them. So this was today's video on distribution and grouping LRDI sets. If you found this helpful or you liked the video, make sure to like the video, share it with your friends and subscribe to the channel. In the next video, we'll learn circular arrangement LRDI step by step. I also share my Telegram link in the description. In the Telegram channel, I share DI and quant tips, scripts, and daily sets for practice. Please subscribe to the Telegram channel. See you in the next video. Thank you.